Hey everyone, here's a question on lines and angles. The question is OA and OB are opposite rays and we have to find the value of y when x value is given, and second question we have to find the value of x when y is given. And this is a figure. You can see that OA and OB are opposite rays. This means we have to use a concept of linear pair. When do we say that the angles are in linear pair? We say that two angles are linear pair when the adjacent angle, so here this angle and these two angles are adjacent angles because they have a common vertex which is O, and they have a common arm, and we can see that the other arm or the other ray lies in the opposite direction here like this. So the main concept of a linear pair is the angle should be adjacent, and the non-common arm, that is OA and OB, this is not common, right? They are in opposite direction. You can see exactly opposite. Then we can say that these two angles are in linear pair. In linear pair, the angles will add up to 180 degrees. This means when I add angle AOC and BOC, the sum is 180 degrees. So that is general thing. So let me write that as a common one here because we have to use that to find the value of x and y. So here angle AOC and angle BOC they are linear pair, or we can say the form a linear pair. Angle BOC form linear pair. So if they form a linear pair, the sum is equals to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle AOC plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degree. Now what is angle AOC? It is 2y plus 5 degrees plus BOC is 3x. So 3x degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Now we have this. This is a general one. We got the equation. Now let's find the value of y when x value is given. So this is our first question. So x is equals to 25 degrees and we have to find the value of y. So let's substitute here. So here we have y, so it will be 2y. Let's keep it like that, and this is 5 degrees plus, I'll substitute the value of x here. In place of x, I'll write 25. So I'll put this in a bracket, is equals to 180 degrees. Now open the bracket. So this is 2y degrees plus 5 degrees plus 25 times 3 is 75. You are multiplying this to numbers. So we get 75 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Now add the constants. Here on the left side I have 5 and 75. I'll add this 2. So we get 2y degrees plus 80 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Now let's transpose 80 degrees to the right side here. Now why I'm doing that? Because I have to find the value of y. So I'm trying to bring all the constants to the one side and variables to the one side. So I'll keep 2y degrees here and I'll transpose this to the right side. When you transpose, the sign will change. Plus will change to minus. You get 2y degrees is equals to 180 degrees minus 80 degrees. So 180 minus 80 is 100. You get 2y is equals to 100. Now we have to find the value of y. This means I have to eliminate 2 from here. How to do this? This is 2 times y. You're multiplying 2 and y. Multiplication inverse operation or the reverse operation is division. To eliminate this 2 from the left side, you have to divide both the sides by 2. So this will be 2y divided by 2, and on the right side also you have to do the same thing, 100 divided by 2. This way you will balance the equation. You cannot just modify on the one side. Whatever you're doing, you have to do it on the right side too. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 2 ones are and 2 ones are on the right side. 2 ones are and 2 50s are 100. I'm doing cancellation here. If you prefer division, divide it. So y is equals to 50 degrees. So this is the y value. That's it. So when x is 25 degrees, y is 50 degrees. This is first question. We obtain the y value. Now we have to find the next question where y value is given as 35 and we have to find the value of x. So I have to erase this part. So this is second question where y is given as 35 degrees and x value is unknown. We have to find that. So let's substitute the values. So it will be 2 times 35 degrees plus 5 degrees plus 3x degrees is equals to 180 degrees. 2 times 35 is 70. So 70 plus 5 degrees plus 3x is equals to 180 degrees. Now add the constants on the left side. 70 plus 5 is 75. We get 75 degrees plus 3x is equals to 180 degrees. Now transpose 75 to the other side. The 75 is a positive, it's plus. When changed to the other side, it will change, the sign will change, it will be minus. We get 3x is equals to 180 degrees minus 75 degrees. Therefore, 3x is equals to 180 minus 75. When you subtract, you get 105. Now we have to eliminate 3 from the left side because I just want x value. This is 3 times x. You're multiplying 3 and x. Now multiplication inverse operation is division. Therefore, divide both the sides by 3. 3x divided by 3 is equals to 105 divided by 3. So on the left side 3 will get cancelled. We get x. On the right side you either divide or do the cancellation. I prefer cancellation. 3 ones are 3. Now we have 1. First number is 1, right? It's not divisible. Let's take 10. 3 3s are 9. What is the remainder? It is 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 is a remainder. That 1 you write along with 5. Now we have 15. 3 5s are 15. So we get the x value as 35 degrees. So here y value is also 35 and x value is also 35 in the second question. That's it. So this is how you can find the x and y value. I hope this question is clear. If you have further question or doubts, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.